to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a quick DIY video of how you can make layovers for your praise dance uniform. I already have another video on my channel that I did for Easter, so if you haven't seen that one, you can check it out. Again, this video and that video requires no sewing. All you need are your scissors, your fabric. Today I'm going to be using an iron. And yeah, last time I used a measuring tape. This time I don't need a measuring tape. I'm just going to be folding and cutting. Okay, so just stay tuned and watch this video. I hope it helps you. Father's Day is in 2 days, so I'm going to be making this for my girls for the dance uniform. Again, just going to jazz it up a little bit to make it look a little different. Okay, so stay tuned and I hope you enjoy. I can show you guys in detail what I am doing. So the fabric is already folded. It's 2 yards of fabric, and it's folded once. And a hot dog. And I fold a hamburger. Once you have a hamburger, once you have it folded like so, you then want to make a triangle. Once you have your triangle, oh, Jada said a pizza. Yes. Once you have your pizza, then what do you want to make next? A pizza bite. Pizza bites are squares, right? Or are they? You want to make a, what is this one? An ice cream cone. Yes, it looks like it. And then once you have your ice cream cone, you want to get your and there are going to be 2 cuttings. You want to cut the end and then you want to cut the neck. Okay? So we're going to cut the end first. You want to make sure you include this piece in the cutting. Okay, we have to be neat. Now you're going to cut the neck. a little ice cream cone. We snip off the neck. So my cloth is already folded into a hamburger. Hot dog hamburger. Now into our pizza. Regina? Yeah, it's pizza. Pizza. No, this ain't pizza. 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 Now it's a taco. Look, this could be a taco. Now it's a taco. So I ironed this before I brought it to the ground. I ironed the fabric.
A burrito.
It's a taco, a burrito, or ice cream cone. So now you want to just cut the bottom part of it. You want to make sure to cut a small piece for the neck. Don't make it too big, okay? You can have it. Let's see this one.
Look. Turn it to me. It looks like a shirt.
It is.
If you cut that.
So this is what you want to do. Ta-da! I really like the flowiness of this fabric. At first, I was a little nervous because it has the potential to really just come apart, but I think for quick use, this satin fabric is fine. But if you want something that's going to last a little longer, you might want to look into a better fabric. But this is what I'm going to be using for our Father's Day uniform. So thanks for watching. I hope you were able to grab something that you can use. And like I was showing on this in this layover, if you make it big enough, you can even turn it into a skirt. Right.
Like the one you just cut.
You can do a skirt with it. And put a belt over it. Again, thanks for watching and happy Father's Day. Have a great Father's Day weekend.